tourist spot in Kodagu district of Karnataka. The taluk wise, the first one is Madkeri Taluk. First one is Abbe Falls, next Madkeri Fort, Omkareshwara Temple, Mandalpatti, Gaduge. Gaduge is the Raja's tomb. Next one is Raja's seat. Next, Sombarpet Taluk of Kodagu district. Mallali Falls, Honnammana Kere, Kote Betta. Kote Betta, you must visit the Kote Betta before 10 am for the good view. Next, Harangi Dam. Next, the Virajpete Taluk of Kodagu district. Talkaveri. Talkaveri is the place where the Kaveri river origin. Next, Nalaknad Palace. It is a simple and beautiful palace. Here you don't need to pay any entry fees for it. Next, Chaluvara Falls. Next, the tourist spot in the Kushalnagar Taluk of Kodagu district, they are Namdolling Monastery, Dubare Elephant Camp, Kaveri Nisargadhama. Next, the spots present in the Ponampete Taluk of Kodagu district, they are Iruppu Falls, Barapole River, Nagarahole Tiger Reservoir. Next, the other remaining places in the Kodagu district, they are Devaragundi Falls, Abbi Kolli Falls, Thadi Andamol Truck. Thadi Andamol Truck is mostly highly recommended truck for the beginners. It's total 14 kilometers trekking from the both side. It is a good and easy for the beginners also. You get good experience. Must try. Next one is Chikli Hole Reservoir and Brahmagiri Hills, Kabbe Hills, Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary, General Timmaya Memorial Museum. It is dedicated to the Indian Army as General Timmaya and it is located in the Madkeri. Sera Joy Monastery. It is located in the Bailkoppe settlement. In this video, I am not mentioning any private resort or private properties. The above mentioning places were belongs to the government, means public. So any citizen can go and visit it. Thank you for watching.